Hey YouTube, so today we are continuing with what? With number patterns on the session that says what? Geometric sequence. So today I am introducing it to you. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. Okay, so now when we are talking about geometric sequence, you'll have to know what this formula right here. Tn is equal to A R to the exponent n minus 1. So before we can dwell into these questions right here, let me explain the A and the R. So the A, guys, just like we have talked in our previous videos, the A is the first term, and then the R is what? It is the common ratio. Whatever. So A is what? A is our first term, R is our common ratio. So now this R has a what? Has its own formula. Whatever. Its formula for the common ratio is going to be what? Term number 2 over term number 1 is equal to term number 3 over term number 2. So now I have given you enough information for you to be able to understand how I'm going to be doing these questions. Right? Okay, so now, so what you can do, you can do this, you can pause the video, do these questions, and then see how I do them on my or on my steps. So yeah. So now we are given an exam question. It says what? Given geometric sequence. Well, given what? The geometric sequence. 9 over 2. This is term number 1. Okay, so term number 1 is what? 9 over 2. And then the term number 2 is what? It's 9. Term number 3 is what? It's 18. And then I don't know what is this 230 2304. I don't know which term does it belong to. So we are going to find it out if you stick with us. Okay, let me just get my calculator before we go any further. Okay, so now the first question says what? Determine the value of the R, the common ratio. So now they are looking for what? They are looking for the A. So when they are looking, they are looking for what? For the R. So when they are looking for the R, we go back to what? To this information right here. So, okay, A is what? R. What is the formula of R? Is T2 over T1. Whatever. And then, look at this. So our T2 is what? It is 9 over. So what is our T1? It's 9 over 2. 9 over 2. Then we will get what? Okay, guys, I love doing it by my head, but I don't advise it during an exam. So we'll get what? 1 over 2. 9. Hey guys, don't say I'm an alien. Whatever. I'm just a child of God. Okay, so we get what? We get 2. So 2 is what? 2 is our common ratio. Bye-bye. So now we're going to what? To question number to question alphabet B. You know, when you have numbers in that way, everything you see there's a number. Yes. Okay. So B says what? How many terms are there in this sequence? So now, if they are asking us how many terms are there in this sequence, it means now we must find that 2304 it is which term. Whatever. You understand? Okay, so how am I gonna do that? Whatever. You can pause the video and do it, and you and see whether we get the same the same answer. And guys, if you skip the video, you will not see the type of method that I use myself for me to find what the shortcut. So it helps to look at the whole video. Okay, so now I am going to use what this formula right here. So before I go any further, okay, Tn is equal to ARN minus 1. So what is our A? Before I can do anything, I just want to elaborate that. Right. So A, it is what? So A is what? 9 over 2. 9 over 2, term number 1. And then our R is what? It is 2. Okay, so let me just write it down. 9 over 2 multiplied by what? By 2n minus 1. And then where is CTN? I'm going to put what? 2304. 2304. Okay, so listen to me, guys. If you don't know the algebra, if you don't know the algebra, such questions are gonna give you a problem. But guys, you got what? Dr. Matt himself will just lungisa or diagnose this problem that you have about math. Okay, so now we have what? 9 over 2 multiplied by 2 to the exponent n minus 1. Okay, so if we have something like this, what can we do? What is the sign between 9 over 2 and 2 to the exponent n minus 1? It is what? Multiplication. When we have multiplication, we are allowed to divide. So I'm going to divide by what? 9 over 2 divided by 9 over 2. What do I get? Okay, 2304 divided by 9 over 2. I get what? 512. Okay, so now I have what? 512. This cancels that, and then I'm left with what? 512 is equal to 2 to the exponent n minus 1, right? Okay, so now, you know, just do what? On your calculator, type 512 and then press what? The equal sign, and then press shift and then press what? Fact. So fact, it is okay, so on the buttons is 3 commas and 1 dot. I hope you find it. I'm talking about this thing. And then you'll get what? 2 to the exponent 9 is equal to 2 to the exponent n minus 1. You get it? So now we have what? The same basis. When we have the same basis, we can drop what? The exponent. Now we have what? N minus 1 and then 9. And then, yeah, so n minus 1, you take what? This negative 1. You transpose what? This negative 1. Why? Because of there's what? Because of there's what? A minus. Minus or a plus, we are allowed to transpose. Then our n is going to be equal to what? 2 to 10. So how do we answer? How many terms are there in this sequence? There are what? Therefore, there is 10 terms. So guys, for you to get the total marks here, you know what? Just confirm. Just put the 10 where you see the n, and see whether you get this now. 1, 2, yeah, okay, so 2304. Okay, so you'll do that, yeah, you'll do that the whole. So guys, let me just clear some misconfusions. If you have something like this, 9 over 2 multiplied by 2n minus 1. Whatever. So now I'm going back to what? To this general formula. Guys, it's not allowed for you to do what? To multiply these things. Why? Because of this 2 has what? N to the exponent negative 1. So that's how yeah, that's how I kill this question. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.